Tired of muffled, lackluster audio? Today, we're diving into the AM8 XLR/USB Dynamic Gaming and Podcast Microphone, and trust me, your listeners will thank you. This microphone is engineered to deliver crystal clear, natural audio, making it an immediate upgrade for any setup. It's built for quality and flexibility. If you're a streamer, podcaster, or content creator looking to elevate your sound, the AM8 is your new best friend. It's designed to meet professional demands without the complex setup. The core promise of the AM8 is pure, natural audio clarity. It captures your voice accurately, ensuring your audience hears you exactly as you intend. Let's break down the tech behind that great sound. The AM8 is a dynamic microphone known for its ability to produce rich, warm tones. With a frequency response of 50 Hz to 16 kHz, the AM8 provides balanced sound that captures your voice without exaggeration, minimizing harshness and providing deep resonance. The directional cardioid design is crucial. It focuses sound capture directly in front of the mic, keeping your vocals clear and intelligible while minimizing distracting background noise. This makes the AM8 ideal for intense PS5 gaming sessions, live streaming, and professional video recording, where clarity is non-negotiable. One of the AM8's biggest strengths is its dual connection options, offering flexibility for both beginners and advanced users. The XLR connection, which requires a separate cable and audio interface or mixer, is perfect for professional audio flexibility, pristine sound quality, and advanced setups like music recording. For beginners, podcasters, or live streamers who value simplicity, the USB connection is plug and play. Just connect it to your PC or console and you're ready to go. The USB mode also features a handy tap-to-mute function with an LED mute indicator, giving you immediate control over your privacy during live sessions. Beyond audio quality, the AM8 is packed with features designed to enhance your user experience and aesthetics. In USB mode, you get a soothing, controllable RGB ring with 3 modes and over 10 colors. Easily customize it to perfectly match your PC gaming setup or streaming aesthetic. For precise audio control, the AM8 includes an easy-to-use mic gain knob, a headphone monitoring jack, and simple volume adjustments, allowing you to fine-tune your sound on the fly. The microphone also comes with a noise-canceling windscreen, ensuring clean sound capture even if you're positioned near buzzing electronics. The AM8's design is focused on maximum compatibility and use across various scenarios. Whether you are gaming, recording a podcast, live streaming, or setting up a professional home studio, the AM8 is built to excel. It's compatible with virtually all standard mic stands, supporting both 3/8" and 5/8" threads, making integration into your existing setup effortless. The AM8 XLR USB microphone offers incredible versatility, outstanding audio quality, and essential features like RGB lighting and tap-to-mute. It's a standout choice for serious creators. If you're ready to step up your content game with crystal clear and professional-grade audio, the AM8 is a smart investment that delivers. To get your AM8 XLR/USB microphone on Amazon and check out all the details, find the product link directly in the description below. Thanks for watching.